Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi Note 14S to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Redmi. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Redmi, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times, and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers before they expire, and then hit receive button. Wherever you decided, just wait. Then close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!